Introducing the first ever Hyundai Kona. It's not another SUV. It's a smart utility vehicle. The Kona sets itself apart with a distinctive design for distinctive lifestyles. The exterior has fresh, youthful design elements with 7 bold colors and a color contrasting roof available on the SEL trim. The available 18-inch alloy wheels provide a bold, sporty stance, while the LED exterior lighting elements add another level of sharp design. The interior design offers available colored stitching on the seats and steering wheel, with 2-tone color options and highlights around the air vents, creating an interior that's smartly done with attractive design details. And when it comes to interior space, the flexible cargo loading provides a dual-level floor in the cargo area. The performance features we've engineered into the Kona ensure it's a right-sized vehicle for big adventures. From the standard 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 6-speed automatic transmission to the 1.6-liter turbo engine with 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Kona provides a dynamic, responsive character to tight city driving. The Kona also offers available multi-link rear suspension and a sporty all-wheel drive, giving owners a fun driving experience with secure handling that's ready for any terrain. With a range of advanced technology, you can enjoy all your entertainment with ease and stay connected and in control. The Kona's available heads-up display projects vital information directly into the driver's line of sight. Next-generation available BlueLink connected car services bring even more convenience to your ride. By making a few taps on the BlueLink app or simply using voice commands, you can enjoy remote engine start with climate control, access remote door lock and unlock, and remote car finder. Destination search powered by Google lets you sync with your navigation system, so your route is ready when you are. And on-demand diagnostics lets you know when it's time to schedule service. And with either the standard 7-inch touchscreen or available 8-inch touchscreen, the Kona's standard smartphone connectivity becomes even more intuitive and helpful, meaning you can use your phone's built-in navigation capabilities, make phone calls, dictate messages, or listen to your favorite music. And available wireless device charging for mobile phones allows passengers to charge their smartphones conveniently on the move. This SUV comes packed with advanced safety features because it was built with safety in mind. The vehicle's body was designed with rigidity, which enables a quality ride for passengers. The available lane keeping assist and blind spot collision warning with rear cross-traffic collision warning keep an eye on the front, sides, and back to provide a confident drive. The forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection and the driver attention warning give you 360 degrees of safety and peace of mind. When it comes to quality, you'll have a hard time finding anyone who takes it more seriously than us, which is why we manufacture our own advanced high-strength steel for use in all our vehicles. This provides great benefits for the Kona. The body frame has been developed to deliver a strong, light body that enhances performance and safety. When it comes to peace of mind, Hyundai looked at a 5-year powertrain warranty and thought, we can do better. So we decided to go above and beyond with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. Everything you need in one smart SUV. The first ever Hyundai Kona.